Andres, first I just wanted to congratulate you. I'm sure the pressure on you and your sister has always been pretty heavy. Kasi alam niyo pareho that we've all had our eyes on you from the very beginning. Hindi naman, not to be critical, but I'm sure there's also a mix of affection because of your parents, no? But I can really tell from, how you're here at the press conference today, and especially on screen, you've become so comfortable in the Andres, the actor, no? When you answer questions. And even more so, pati yung acting mo in the clips that we saw from the movie has really greatly improved, no? And it seems you're really comfortable with what you're doing. My question is, of course, there are always factors, no, that lead us to where we become better, no? Hindi ko rin push, pero what are these factors? Kasama kaya din si Ashtin, na siya sa lahat-lahat ng artista na babae, siya naging mong leading lady. So what are the factors and where does Ashtin fall in those factors that have made you become what you are now?
Yes, like I said a while ago, I'm really eager to learn really because I'm very new to this industry, and yes, there is that pressure given to me and my sister, but at the end of the day, I'm really just eager to learn. And the way I see it is every day I come to a set or have a working day, I kind of view it as I'm getting 1% better or 1% more comfortable with my surroundings and everything. Definitely, I would say from a year ago, it's been a big jump, it's been a big difference, and I've learned so much. But that's because I'm very active always to try to learn new things in the industry. Like, kahit noon pa naman, hindi naman ako singer. Tapos bigla I had to sing and I had to learn, and it's all just a learning process, and I'm enjoying it because I really love this job. I really admire my craft and all. And where Ashtin comes in the picture naman is, she's definitely a big factor in my journey as well, because she allows me to be more comfortable at times. There were times where I'd do certain events or something solo, but I know in some cases when I'm with Ash, I feel a lot more relaxed. So she definitely has a factor there. And of course, she directed in the few amount of days that we've been shooting the film. I've been very proactive as to trying to learn really, not only just the acting process, but direct even behind the cam with even the shots and everything. And even with our DOP in the film, I often ask him questions about the angles and the lighting and the shots, because I'm just really trying to be a sponge and soak up all the knowledge.
Thank you, and we've always appreciated how humble you have been, and I think that's also a big factor now in where you are now.
I appreciate that.
Thank you. With Ash, ang question ko is a little bit similar also, kasi kaming lahat nakita namin kanina rin how you've grown as an actress. And since there's so many flowers around us, you truly have bloomed. As women, we always bloom to become our best throughout the journey of whatever careers or lives we've had. And ever since, your talent has been there, singing, dancing, and acting. Pero talagang ngayon, we look at you, you have bloomed. Tell us about that journey, and again, similarly, how has Andres helped you in that journey to becoming this, more confident, and more, ano bang word? Sophisticated lady now in front of us.
So, yung journey ko po from the start, hindi talaga madali. Maraming times na parang na-question ko na kung may mangyayari ba, kung tama ba yung pinag-pursue ko. Kasi mahaba talaga yung waiting time eh. Pero nung dumating si Andres, alam niyo po yun, parang wala talaga akong ina-expect na kahit ano. Pero dahil sa kanya, dahil sa suporta po ng keepers, ng lahat ng mga suporta po ng bawat fandoms namin, na tinulungan po niya ako, maabot yung mga pinag-pray ko lang noon. And sobrang laking bagay din talaga na kapag yung on-screen partner mo yung pinagkakatiwalaan mo po talaga, alam mong masasandalan mo siya kapag kailangan mo ng tulong or kapag pagod ka na.
congratulations, no? Kasi kahit pa paano you were still, you know, bago pa rin lang, you know, when this all happened. And to be paired with a Mula from the start, and to, you know, take on that challenge, di ba? Mahirap din, and you've done it so well. So
Thank you po. Thank you
congratulations.
po.